Hello and welcome to all subscriber and viewers of Last Mile Approach. Good to have you with us. In last video, we discussed the renowned feminist leaders and social reformers Tarabai Shinde, whose contribution made a path for Indian women in our societies in late 19th century, fighting against the upper caste discrepancies which were not favoring of women rights. Now we have come again with a new feminist leader whose contribution was also remarkable in our history, known as Madeleine Slade or well known as Mira Ban. Let's beginning with the first question. Mark the incorrect option. She was born in India. She wrote the spiritual pilgrimage. Which option is incorrect? Be careful before marking your answer. And your first option is A, both correct. Option B, only first. C, only second. And option D, none. And your correct answer is option B, because it is incorrect. She was born in England instead India. Now moving to second question. Mark the correct option. Miraban subscribed Gandhi's Young India in England and read Bhagavad Gita in Paris and Rig Veda in French. She visited London in second roundtable conference with Gandhiji. Be careful before marking your answer. Your option is only first, option B both, option C only second, and option D none. Which option is correct has been asked, and your correct option is correct option is option B, both is correct. Now moving to third question. Who established the Kisan Ashram in Roorkee with consent of Gandhiji? You have four options, and your first option is Sister Nivedita, second one is Sarojini Naidu, third one is Miraban, and fourth one is Annie Besant. And your correct option is option C, Miraban. Miraban, who established the Kisan Ashram in Roorkee with the consent of Gandhiji when she visited in India. Now moving to fourth question. Mark the incorrect option. She wrote something wrong in the Himalayas and she took last breath in Austria in 1982. Which option is incorrect? And your option is option A both, option B only first, option C only second, and option D none. And your correct option is option D none, because all the questions are correct, both is correct, so option D is correct. Now moving to fifth question. Choose the correct option. She was also arrested during the Quit India movement with Gandhiji from 1942 to 1944. Learned Hindi in Gurukul Khangiri. Which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? And your correct option is option A, both is correct. She was also arrested with Gandhiji during Quit India movement and she also learned Hindi in Gurukul Khangiri. Now moving to second last question. Who published Bapu's letter to Mira and New Old Gleanings? And your option is option A Sarojini Naidu, option B Sister Nivedita, option C Madeleine Slade, and option D Annie Besant. Which option is correct? And your correct option is option C, Madeleine Slade, known as Miraban. Now moving to Last question. Mark the correct option. After independence, she established the Pashulok Ashram near Rishikesh and settlement named Bapu Gram and the Gopal Ashram in Bhilangna in 1952. She was also a witness to the Simla Conference, the Cabinet Mission, and the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Which option is correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C both, and option D none. And your correct answer is option C. Both is correct. She witnessed all the things which have been mentioned in second, and first one is also correct. And both option C is correct. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Please follow our initiative, liking our videos and subscribing our channel.